So let's have a look now at what happens when we're working with numbers in the hundredths and we have to borrow. We've got 89.64 and we're subtracting 26.39. You can see that along the top there. I'll start my calculations. I've got 4 hundredths and I'm going to subtract 9 hundredths. My bottom number is bigger, so I will borrow from my tenths. I'm going to borrow one of them. That leaves me with 5. I move it across here. So I've got 14 hundredths, subtract 9, that leaves me with 5. There you go. 5 subtract 3, that leaves me with 2. I bring my decimal point into play in the exact same position. 9 subtract 6, 3, 8 subtract 2, 6, giving you an answer of 63.25, which you put back at the top. We'll have a look at another example like this. Again, standard method, keeping that decimal point in the correct point at all times. So we're going to have 134.72 and we're going to subtract 51.17, not 17, 17. So I need my hundreds column this time. I've got a 100 number there, 100, tens, units, my tenths and my hundredths. So 134.72 subtract 0 hundredths and 51.17. 2 subtract 7. 2 hundredths subtract 7 hundredths. The bottom number is bigger. I borrow from 7 tenths. That leaves me with 6 tenths. I move 1 across. I've got 12. 12 subtract 7. I now have 5. 6 subtract 1. I have 5. I bring my decimal point back. 4 subtract 1. I have 3. 3 subtract 5. Again, my bottom number is bigger, so I will borrow my 100, move it across. I've now got 13 tens. 100 is 10 tens. 13 subtract 5, giving me 8. An answer of 83.55, which you would then put all the way over at the top.